If you want a backyard that looks beautiful even when flowers fade, ornamental grasses are the secret. They move with the wind. They catch the light, and many of them look good all year long. The best part? Most grasses are low maintenance and tough once established. Today, I'll share 10 of the best ornamental grasses you can grow for backyard beauty. These work in modern gardens, cottage styles, and natural landscapes. Let's dive in. 1. Fountain grass. This is one of the most popular ornamental grasses. It has soft, arching leaves and fluffy bottlebrush flowers. It blooms from late summer into fall. Fountain grass loves full sun and well-drained soil. It adds movement and softness to any garden. 2. Maiden grass. Maiden grass is tall, graceful, and dramatic. It produces silvery plumes in late summer. Many varieties turn golden or red in fall. It works well as a screen or focal point. Once established, it's very drought-tolerant. 3. Blue fescue. This grass stands out for its blue-gray color. It stays compact and neat. Blue fescue is perfect for borders and rock gardens. It prefers full sun and dry soil. Too much water causes it to decline. 4. Switchgrass. Switchgrass is a native grass with strong, upright form. It changes color through the seasons, green in summer, red or gold in fall. It's great for wildlife and erosion control. 5. Japanese forest grass. This grass thrives in shade. Its flowing leaves look like a soft waterfall. Golden varieties brighten dark areas of the yard. It prefers moist, well-drained soil. Perfect for woodland gardens. 6. Featherreed grass. This grass grows straight and narrow. It doesn't flop. The seed heads appear early and last for months. It works well in formal and modern designs. Very cold hardy and dependable. 7. Purple fountain grass. This grass adds bold color. Deep purple leaves and pinkish plumes stand out. It loves heat and full sun. In cold climates, it's grown as an annual. In warm areas, it shines all season long. 8. Little bluestem. This native grass has blue-green summer color. In fall, it turns copper and orange. It's tough and drought-tolerant. Great for natural and prairie-style gardens. Birds love the seeds. 9. Zebra grass. Zebra grass has horizontal yellow stripes. It adds bold texture and pattern. Best used as a statement plant. It grows tall and wide. Give it space to shine. 10. Pampas grass. Pampas grass is bold and dramatic. It produces huge, feathery plumes. It needs full sun and space. Choose sterile or dwarf varieties where possible. In some regions, it's invasive, so check local guidelines. Extra tips. Cut grasses back in late winter or early spring. Full sun brings out the best color and form. Leave seed heads for winter interest and wildlife. Match grass size to your space. Check invasiveness before planting. If this video helped you, give it a like. It lets me know you want more garden content like this. Subscribe for simple, practical gardening tips and comment below. Which ornamental grass would you add to your backyard?